Are the women safe in Goa? What is happening? On Friday, the JMFC rejected the bail application of three persons accused who were arrested after a brawl outside a Kolva restaurant. The three accused had allegedly tried to molest a girl on Thursday evening. A complaint was filed at the Kolva police station on Thursday evening wherein three persons allegedly tried to molest a girl at Kolva. The girl ran into a restaurant in her safety in Kolva wherein, in self-defense, she broke a bottle on one of the accused's head. When the local restaurant staff got involved into the brawl during this time and that time, the hotel staff George De Silva, Prakash Thapa and Raju Bareilly got injured. Similarly, a police complaint was filed with the Kolva police and who they later arrested the accused Claire Pacheco, Clive Pacheco and Aroke Das in this connection. After getting arrested, they applied for bail, but the JMFC court rejected the bail of the above three accused. A case under section 323, 324, 427, 504, 506/2 read with the 34 of IPC. Kolva police are investigating into this case.
14 तारखेर त्या तारखेर रातचे 14 तारखेर फातोडेचेर कोल्हा पुलीस स्टेशनार क्रायम रजिस्टर जालो अगेन्स्ट थ्री एक्यूज आरोग्य दास क्लायटस पाशेको आनी क्लायंट सेक्शन 324 323 504 506 part 2 and 427 read with common intention and same on the next day their bail application has been filed. In fact, same day bail application has been filed before the JMFC court, and the injured who were still in the hospital, two injured. There were 4 injured. Out of that 4, 2 were same day discharged. 2 were still in the. They are today also still in the hospitalized. And I had, on behalf of intervener, I had filed a intervention application on behalf of injured, and they had given a no objection, and my application was allowed to intervene the. And for bail applications, they had later on. It was yesterday. It was fixed for the order, and at that time the police received the report that section 326 has to be applied because one of the injured had sort of grievous injury, and then they had applied for 326. And considering the previous, all the two of the accused had a previous history, criminal history, and many criminal cases were registered against them at the Kolva police station and different police station. And considering the seriousness of the offence, all three accused bail application has been rejected by the JMF Judicial Magistrate First Class Court Marga.
Okay, at can dowalya party.
Now they had applied for the Sessions Court, and they had it has fixed tomorrow before the Honorable Additional Session Judge.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 at Kolva.